Peru News Today, all you need to know about Peru. Second strong earthquake hits Ecuador at 6.2 grades. Ecuador's earthquake was felt at 3:33 a.m. local time and was followed by 18 aftershocks. Just days after a 7.8 magnitude quake caused devastation in Ecuador over the weekend, a quake of 6.2 magnitude was registered early this morning, frightening locals. The earthquake over the weekend has resulted in more than 500 deaths and demolished a large section of Ecuador's Pacific coast. This morning's earthquake brought citizens running to the streets for safety and complicated rescuers searching for more people that may be trapped from the Saturday's earthquake. There were no reports of deaths or new significant damage following this morning's earthquake. The epicenter was located 25 kilometers off the island of Mun on the northwest coast at a depth of 15 km. Donate to those affected in Ecuador. The Ecuador Embassy in Lima has offered information to donate clothing, items and or money. To make a money donation, Moneda, Soles Banco, BBVA Continental Cuenta de Ahorros, 0011-0661-0200-029180 Nombre, UNDP Representative Cost Sharing Account RUC, 20,507,728,961 Código Interbancario 011661000020002918063 Moneda, Dólares Banco, BBVA Banco Continental Cuenta Corriente, 0011-0661-0100027695 Nombre, UNDP Representative Dollars Account RUC, 20,507,728,961 Código Interbancaria, 011-661-00100002769564 Recommended donation items. Big items. 1. Large tents. 2. Colchones, sleeping bags, colchonetas, mattresses. 3. Electric generators. 4. Working tools, hammers, etc. 5. Large barrels to hold water. Small items. 1. Canned food, easy open food. 2. Hygienic kits. 3. Portable LED lights, or with batteries. 4. Batteries. 5. Polyurethane sleeves. 6. Insecticides, repellents. 7. Water purifiers, medicine. 1. Hygiene gel. 2. Saline solution. 3. Paracetamol, ibuprofen. 4. Analgesic bandages. 5. Sodium chloride. 6. Rubbing alcohol. 7. Gloves. 8. Gauze and plaster. 9. Masks. 10. Syringes. For more information call 0051-1212-4161. Visit at www.perunewstoday.com. Also follow on Facebook and Twitter.